Hello guys, this is Nahid. You're watching Night Technology. Today I am unboxing Walton EF4 Plus. Let's open this box. First you can see the phone. It is available in black and white. I am buying the white version of this phone. Let's see what we have in the box. First of all, we can find the warranty card. Next we can find 2300 mAh battery. Then we can find the charger. Next we can find USB cable. Then we find headphone. It is new design by the Walton, but it's not a standard headphone. Let's move on the phone. This is 23,000 mAh battery. It is support 2G and 3G. It is running Android Marshmallow. 5-inch screen. It is running Mali 400. It has 1GB RAM and 8GB ROM. It has 5 megapixel camera with 2-tone LED flash and front 2 megapixel camera. If you like my video, please like and share. If you have any question, please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.